Hello.
Who are you?
I'm Anne.
And who am I?
Felix.
Wonderful. This is Domino Chinese, and behind us we have China /
Great Wall.
the Great Wall of China. Yes. And so throughout this course now, we'll take you to all the different places in China. We'll introduce them to you like a guided tour. We'll also show you loads of other videos, inside, outdoor ones as well, to get you to taste as much of China and Chinese as possible. So let's get to it then. In this course, by the way, we'll learn everything from written Chinese to spoken Chinese, everything you'll ever need in Chinese.
Yep.
Wonderful. So where do we start then?
Well, the first character is number 1. It looks like just a line, right? So Chinese is very simple.
Yes, there we go. So we can also call Chinese a pictographic language. It basically builds on pictures. So it's very easy, just like you said. Thank you very much, Anne. And the idea as well that we call ourselves domino comes from the fact that Chinese works like dominoes. We build on like domino bricks. So Ina, or this character now, is going to build the building block. Number 1 is going to be a building block. And number 2, we can learn it here. It comes in here, look at that.
Yeah, it's just 2 lines.
There we go, it's just 2 lines, beautiful. So 1 looks like 1, 2 looks like 2. And our next question now, what is our next question now?
Wow, what does number 3 look like?
What does number 3 look like? At the end of our videos, we prefer to ask you questions instead of telling you everything, instead of spoiling you like a little kid. So yes, what does number 3 look like? What do you think?
Think.
Think. Bye.
Bye-bye.